Hey yo, it's your favorite Neo Afro DJ, mtoto Swahilini mwenyewe, DJ Ali Fresh, aka fresher than a peppermint. You know what I'm saying. And this is Location Hunters. Let's go. On this show, we break down how and why we choose certain locations to shoot my different music mixes. And today on the first episode, we are at 2 Grapes in Kilimani, Nairobi. I love this place. The ambience is amazing. Such an intimate space where you can bring your family and your friends to enjoy the food, enjoy the amazing music, but most importantly, enjoy the wine. Let's hear more about the location from the owners.
Hello, my name is Coralie
Monique.
We are the 2 Grapes. We are a restaurant and wine bar located in Kilimani. The name 2 Grapes, we came up with the name because first the wine is made of grapes and it's a wine bar. And then there are 2 colors of grapes. There's a dark grape, light grape, so you can easily know who is who. And then also because it's a mix of culture, we both, Monique lived in Belgium, I grew up in Belgium, I lived in Rwanda, she's from Rwanda. So the idea was to mix Europe and Africa in a very European theme, which is a wine bar. And Monique is the wine specialist. She can tell you more about wine.
Yeah, and then every weekend we have a promotion of different wine. Today, Sunday Pink Day is about this wine, Cielo, come from Italy, grapes Pinot Grigio. You can see the color is very nice, very pairing well with cheese, fish, and very nice with a brunch.
So we are a wine bar, but we also have beers, Belgian beer, craft beer, spirits. We do lunch. We have a very good lunch menu and a tapas menu. And you are welcome. It's from Tuesday to Sunday, 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. for now.
Today we're shooting an Amapiano Afrohouse mix with my homegirl DJ Ivy. But before we get to the mix, you know, drip is forever. We gotta do the drip. So today, Air Jordan 1s, the yellow colorway.
Hey.
Cargo pants, thrifted, Nairobi. Windbreaker, Nairobi as well, just thrifted all this stuff. Custom coral neck piece, straight from Mombasa. Got my bucket hat from Bonkers, the yellow colorway. Make sure you support, you know, local businesses.
That's really dope, by the way.
Yeah.
And not even dope as the set we're going to do. So you guys had better stay locked. Make sure to subscribe, watch, make sure to drop a comment and share this as much as possible. You're not ready for what's coming.
So,
Cheers.
let's get to the music.